Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous video, I showed you how I moved to this new campsite, how I set everything up, and what my car camping setup looks like.
Hello, good morning from my car. Now this was, I think, the 4th or 5th night which I was sleeping in the car. After so many nights, after these nights, actually it was bad. So I'm now sleeping okay. Before I had some issues with falling asleep or just sleeping through the whole night. First I was waking up really a lot, but now it's fine. I mean, I'm sleeping good. I'm still waking up sometimes, but I fall asleep then afterwards, so everything's fine. And yeah, I think that my setup is cozy. Maybe the bed could be a bit better. I was thinking to buy, or I'm thinking if I will continue to do these car trips to bring another mattress, or just this memory foam maybe to put it on the mattress so that it will be okay after. That's it. So here is the view. So yeah, that would be it for the morning. Now I will go to the toilet and prepare myself for the day. Then I will work a bit and just enjoy the seacoast.
Today, I want to show you how a normal day of solo camping looks for me here at the campsite. Inside the car, I organize my things so everything is easy to reach. The things I use the most are on the top, and the stuff I almost never need is stored underneath. This makes my mornings much easier and more relaxed. My morning routine is always the same. First, I go to the toilet and get ready for the day. I personally don't mind using shared bathrooms in campsites. Here, they are always clean, well maintained, and there is always hot water. They also have small private bathrooms, which is really nice if you want a bit more privacy in the morning. Once I'm ready, I go back to my car and tidy everything up. Sometimes during the night, the wind brings leaves or pine needles, so I quickly clean the area around my setup. As some of you already know, I use a ground sheet, which I think is really great. It's easy to clean and it's also perfect for doing some yoga. I don't know if any of you do yoga while camping, especially by the sea, but for me it's one of my favorite ways to start the day. The peace, the fresh air, and the view of the sea make it really special. So let me know in the comments if you also like to start your mornings like this. After some yoga and stretching, I slowly start putting things back and organizing my space again. The weather here can be quite unpredictable, so I prefer to store my things safely just in case it rains and everything stays dry. Then it's time for breakfast. First, I uncover my kitchen. I actually made a small cover for it at home, so it doesn't get wet during the night if it rains. I think it's pretty cool, and yes, I'm a little proud that I made it myself. For breakfast, I usually keep it simple. Eggs, a bit of cheese, and of course coffee. After breakfast, I sit for a bit and just enjoy the moment. Sometimes a little squirrel comes to visit, which always makes my day better. After that, it's time to start working. I'm lucky to have the opportunity to work remotely, even while camping. This time, I was preparing new posts for CamplinQ, our online platform where you can book campsites all over the world. CamplinQ helps campers find and book different types of campsites easily, all in one place. Once my work was done, it was time to switch off for a while and go for a swim to cool down. Later in the day, I prepared a late lunch or early dinner using my Omnia oven. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know I already made a few videos where I introduce the Omnia oven and show how I use it, but this time I finally used it in a campsite. To finish the day, I went for a nice evening walk around the campsite and then slowly relaxed back at my spot. So thank you so much for watching and spending the day with me. If you'd like to see how I prepare different meals while cooking with the Omnia oven, don't forget to follow and subscribe for the next video. Until next time, happy camping! Bye!